Good morning, my name is Keith Hall, and this is going to be a short video on how you can access the Quick Start tutorials in your Builderall uh, login screen. So right now I've logged into my Builderall account, and as you can see that up towards the top left there's a little menu button called Quick Start. So this is the first way that you can access your Quick Start tutorials. If you click on that, it's going to bring you into a new tab, and it's going to enable you to walk through all the steps necessary to get started up quickly with your Builderall business. The other way that you can get started with your Quick Start, if you go back to your login screen again, if you look over to your left, you're going to have a menu selection all along down here on the left. So if you scroll down, you will see if you, in other words, if you click on this little down arrow next to some of these menu items, it's going to expand that area for you. And if you click on the Builder All Business menu item down low, you could also uh, get access to the Quick Start area by selecting Quick Start here. So if I click on that, it's not going to open up a new tab, but it's going to bring you to the same area. It looks a little bit different, but it's the same thing. So I just wanted to let you know how you can access your Builderall Quick Start tutorials. Have a great day, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always click on the bell notification so you get access to all the new videos that I upload. Thank you. Have a great day.